Milwaukee USB rechargeable hearing assist earplugs with Bluetooth provide superior hearing protection and enhanced listening features, ideal for noisy environments. These earplugs include foam ear tips with a noise reduction rating of 25 decibels and silicone tips with an NRR of 22 decibels, ensuring customizable noise reduction. Bluetooth 5.1 technology enables seamless connectivity for streaming music, taking calls, or listening to podcasts. The job site aware mode amplifies ambient sounds like conversations and alarms while protecting against harmful noise levels. A rechargeable battery offers up to 10 hours of use per charge, with an included case providing an extra 70 hours. Built for durability and water resistance, they are designed to withstand tough job sites. Milwaukee Rocket Dual Power Compact Tower Light is a versatile and portable lighting solution for indoor and outdoor use. It features dual power options, operating with M18 batteries or standard AC outlets for flexibility. The compact design and lightweight build make it easy to transport, while the 7-foot folding mast allows quick setup and breakdown. Delivering up to 15,000 lumens, it provides bright task and area lighting for any workspace. With an IP56 rating, it is durable and resistant to water and dust. One key compatibility enables remote control and customization of light settings. Its powerful illumination, rugged construction, and smart features make it ideal for challenging job site conditions. The Milwaukee Bolt 100 hard hat and accessories platform is a modular system designed for customization and superior head protection. Featuring the Bolt system, it supports a wide range of accessories with an intuitive attachment mechanism. Made from lightweight, durable ABS material, it includes a 6-point suspension and adjustable ratchet system for enhanced comfort and fit. The platform accommodates attachments like eye protection, hearing protection, and personal lighting, allowing users to tailor it to specific job site needs. Offering top impact protection, it enhances safety, comfort, and productivity, making it an ideal choice for demanding industries. Milwaukee Armourtred safety footwear offers durable and protective solutions for demanding work environments, including safety trainers and boots designed to meet diverse needs. Crafted from premium materials like full-grain leather, they feature steel toe caps and puncture-resistant midsoles for superior protection. Advanced cushioning technologies, breathable fabrics, and slip-resistant outsoles ensure all-day comfort and safety. Trainers provide lightweight flexibility and are ideal for active trades, while boots offer robust construction, waterproof uppers, and heat-resistant soles for harsh conditions. Milwaukee Coil Roofing Nailer is a cordless solution tailored for roofing and exterior contractors, offering exceptional power and versatility. Equipped with a brushless motor and nitrogen air spring technology, it delivers up to 6 nails per second for rapid performance. Paired with the M18 Red Lithium high-output CP3O battery, it drives up to 1,100 nails per charge, ensuring extended runtime. Its versatile design includes an attachable vinyl siding tip for roofing and siding tasks, along with user-friendly features like tool-free depth adjustment, dry fire lockout, and replaceable rubber wear pads. Durable construction ensures it withstands harsh job site conditions, making it a reliable choice for professionals seeking efficiency and precision. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inches. Hex Impact Driver is a compact and powerful tool, delivering up to 1,800 revolutions per minute and 1,600 Nlbs of torque for efficient fastening. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for tight spaces, while the durable metal gear housing ensures longevity. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, and a bright LED light improves visibility in low-light conditions. Compatible with all M18 batteries, it offers flexibility across applications. This impact driver combines performance, durability, and user convenience, making it a reliable choice for fastening tasks. Milwaukee 20-inch dual battery chainsaw is a powerful, versatile tool designed for demanding cutting tasks. With a dual battery system delivering 5.8 horsepower and two 8.0 Ah batteries ensuring extended runtime, it's ideal for larger projects. Its compact, lightweight design enhances maneuverability and reduces fatigue, while safety features like a chain brake, automatic oiler, and toolless chain tensioning ensure safe operation. Compatible with the M18 battery platform, it adds versatility to your tool collection. Though the initial investment and battery maintenance may require consideration, its reduced maintenance, fuel costs, and reliable performance make it a valuable choice. The Milwaukee Duplex nailer is a cordless tool designed for fast and efficient concrete formwork assembly. It features a brushless motor and nitrogen air spring technology, driving up to 4 nails per second into wooden materials. With tool-free jam clearance and depth adjustment, it ensures ease of use and enhanced productivity. Powered by the M18 battery system, it delivers up to 800 nails per charge with a 5 ampere-hour battery. The ergonomic design reduces muscle strain, making it more comfortable than traditional hammering methods. Its cordless operation eliminates the need for cords and compressors, offering greater mobility on job sites. Durable and versatile, it's an excellent choice for demanding construction tasks. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Core Rig with Stand is a powerful, cordless solution for coring applications in concrete. Equipped with a power-state brushless motor, it can core up to 14 inches holes in reinforced concrete. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures maximum performance with protection against overloads. Its modular design and intuitive bit removal make setup easy. The cordless setup enhances mobility, and fast charging reduces downtime with a supercharger. Cool Cycle technology helps in active cooling, while One Key compatibility allows for equipment management. This rig boosts productivity and minimizes job site disruptions. The Milwaukee 3300R roll-on power supply provides reliable and portable power with a peak output of 7,200 watts and a continuous output of 3,600 watts, making it ideal for powering tools and devices on job sites or during outdoor activities. Its 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery ensures extended use, while 220 AGFCI outlets, USB-C, and USB-A ports offer versatile charging options for a wide range of electronics. The power supply is equipped with a pure sine wave inverter, delivering safe power for sensitive equipment. With an IP54 rating, it is resistant to dust and water, making it durable in tough environments. It supports fast charging and offers up to 41 minutes of runtime at 3,600 watts, providing reliable power when you need it most. Additionally, it features One Key technology for easy tracking and management of the unit. Milwaukee Wireless Laser Alignment Base is a versatile tool designed to enhance precision and efficiency in laser alignment tasks. It features a wireless remote control with a range of up to 125 feet, enabling adjustments from a distance. The base offers fine-tuning adjustments with 3/32 step accuracy at 100 feet, ensuring precise alignment. Its smooth pivoting around the plumb point and adjustable legs provide stability on uneven surfaces. Compatible with M12 lasers, red lithium USB lasers, and 1/4 inch by 20 thread tripod, it's ideal for a wide range of professional tasks. This tool boosts efficiency by eliminating manual adjustments, ensuring better accuracy and reduced errors. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-volt lithium-ion cordless, brushless. 1/2 inches router offers powerful performance with a 2.25 peak horsepower brushless motor, ideal for smooth, precise cuts. The RedLink Plus intelligence system ensures reliable operation by protecting against overload and overheating. Its ergonomic body grip overmold provides enhanced control and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. The variable speed dial allows for 12,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute for versatility with different materials. With micro and macro depth adjustments, it ensures accurate cuts. Compatible with both 1/2 inches and 1/4 inches collets, it accommodates a wide range of router bits. Powered by M18 red lithium batteries, it offers cordless convenience with up to 225 linear feet of runtime per charge. Milwaukee M12 Brushless 2-inch planer is a powerful tool designed for finish carpenters and remodelers. Its brushless motor ensures maximum power and extended motor life for efficient performance. Capable of removing up to 5/64 in a single pass, it is perfect for fine carpentry and remodeling tasks. The dual-sided shavings port directs debris to either side, improving user productivity. With 21 depth settings ranging from 0 to 5/64, it provides precision cutting. The tool is lightweight at just 3.1 pounds, offering easy maneuverability, and is compatible with all M12 batteries. It's an excellent choice for portability and performance. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inches. Lockbolt tool is a high-performance cordless tool designed for automotive, aerospace, and construction applications. Powered by the M18 red lithium battery, it delivers a pulling force of 4,500 pounds, allowing up to 1,200 installations of 32 aluminum Magna Grip lock bolts per charge. It offers up to 2x faster application speed compared to other lock bolt tools. Built with an all-metal gear case and impact-resistant plastics, it is designed to withstand tough environments. The tool also features RedLink Plus intelligence for enhanced performance and protection. Ergonomically designed for comfort and lightweight for ease of use, it is one-key compatible for tracking and management. 40 Mini. Milwaukee M12 Stick Transfer Pump is a cordless, high-performance tool designed for efficient water transfer across various applications. Powered by the M12 battery platform, it provides the freedom of movement, eliminating the need for cords. Its 36-inch submersible aluminum barrel allows easy access to water in hard-to-reach areas like trenches and sump pits. The HydroPass filter technology ensures high flow rates of 9 GPM while minimizing clogging, even with heavy debris. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it is designed for tough job site conditions. Ideal for use in water meter boxes, catch basins, and more, the pump offers versatility, reliability, and ease of use. Milwaukee 6 inches Leveling Tripod. Chain Vise is a portable and efficient tool ideal for plumbing, electrical, and mechanical work. Its compact, flat-folding design and balanced carry handle ensure easy transportation and storage. With a quick 2-step setup process, it offers convenience and saves time on the job. The stable lock feature provides reliable stability by maintaining deck tension during use. Built for durability, it can handle various materials, including pipes and conduits, making it versatile for multiple applications. This sturdy and dependable tripod vise is a practical choice for professionals seeking performance and portability. Milwaukee M12 Mounting Fan is a powerful and versatile cordless fan designed for job site cooling, drying, and ventilation. It delivers up to 14 miles per hour airspeed and 400 CFM air volume for effective airflow. Featuring multiple mounting options, including magnets, a spring-loaded clamp, and keyholes, it adapts easily to various locations. Its 360-degree head rotation provides precise directional airflow, while 3 speed settings ensure optimal control. Powered by M12 batteries, it offers up to 16 hours of runtime for extended use. Lightweight and portable, this fan is a reliable solution for professionals needing efficient cooling on the go. Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1/4 Sheet. Sander is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professionals. It delivers up to 13,000 orbits per minute for efficient sanding and material removal. The cordless design, powered by an M18 battery, ensures freedom of movement and eliminates cord-related hassle. With variable speed control, users can adjust sanding speed between 11,000 and 13,000 OPM for precise results. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, and the efficient dust collection system keeps the workspace clean. Its quick sandpaper replacement system further enhances productivity, making it a reliable choice for various sanding tasks. Milwaukee M12 1-gallon handheld sprayer kit is a cordless, battery-powered tool ideal for lawn care, cleaning, and light painting tasks. Powered by an M12 battery, it offers cordless convenience and freedom of movement. With adjustable pressure settings and a variable flow rate, it ensures precision for various applications. Its durable construction withstands tough use, while simple controls and an ergonomic grip make it user-friendly. Compatible with the M12 system, it integrates seamlessly with other tools, making it a versatile and efficient choice for diverse spraying needs. Milwaukee Orbital Detail Sander is a compact, high-performance tool, ideal for precision sanding in tight spaces. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 2x faster material removal compared to traditional methods. Its 1.5 millimeter orbit diameter and uniquely shaped pad allow precise control for corners and intricate details. A variable speed trigger with a lock-on button ensures flexibility, while an integrated LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The Pad Saver technology reduces heat buildup, extending the pad's lifespan. Lightweight and cordless, this sander is perfect for woodworking, automotive tasks, and general construction. Milwaukee Packout 15-inch structured tote offers a durable and versatile storage solution for tools and equipment. Constructed with tear-resistant ballistic material and a reinforced structure, it maintains its shape even when fully loaded. With a 50-pound carrying capacity and 39 pockets of varying sizes, it ensures organized storage for tools and accessories. Integrated locking cleats allow seamless connection to other Packout system components, enhancing portability. All metal hardware and YKK zippers provide long-lasting durability, making it ideal for demanding job site conditions. This tote is an excellent choice for professionals seeking robust and organized tool storage. For the serious pros, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Branch Conduit. Bender with Auto Zero revolutionizes conduit bending with unmatched accuracy. Its motorized system ensures consistent bends with minimal effort. Auto Zero technology saves time by automatically calibrating for perfect angles every time. Its lightweight design reduces strain on long jobs. Digital feedback keeps you in full control. The rugged construction ensures it stands up to the toughest job site environments. And the ergonomic handle makes operations smooth, allowing electricians to work faster and smarter without compromising precision or safety. Milwaukee Red Stick Digital Level is a precision tool for professional trades, featuring pinpoint measurement technology for numeric, graphic, and audio feedback to ensure accuracy. Offering up to 2x greater precision than standard digital levels, it's ideal for tasks requiring critical measurements. Its durable frame and IP65 rating withstand harsh job site conditions, while the red lithium USB rechargeable battery provides reliable power. Available in 14 inches and 48 inches lengths, it suits carpentry, plumbing, and electrical applications. With a 3-year accuracy guarantee and simple menu navigation, the Red Stick Digital Level delivers top-tier performance and reliability for demanding professionals. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.